Whatever. See, exactly 9-7 we will know exactly where the Bank Nifty is going to open. It's better only put CEP of Black Panther. चुपचाप जो लॉजिक से AK-47 उसको डाल के बैठा रखिए. So the Black Panther 12 बजे तक चुपचाप बैठ के मजा लो.
Yeah, experience. Everybody know. As usual, Shanky has rocked today also. And regarding this seminar, I've learned a lot of strategies, everything, and with live example in the current market. And he has teached nearly 30 strategies to take 30 points. So out of 30, you can use any one to get 30 points a day. And as he says, the discipline is very necessary, which I learnt very well in this seminar. Anyway, hoping for better, what to say, I have to develop my knowledge. Everything will come good in the upcoming days, in the upcoming seminars.
I think Shanky for approximately about 8 months now, and the reference had come from Puneet Agarwal, who's a friend in Delhi, and he told me about him, and been following, and of course, it's been so good to be here, and I've been in the equity markets for maybe 25, 26 years, and still just came here and realized I know nothing. So that was the biggest insight. And of course, looking forward to the indicators, looking forward to now. I'm not a very active trader. I mean, I do many things. Stock market is one of my passions. And looking forward to now using some of the indicators. And of course, mind-blowing 2 days. Just the realization was that it's the next level.
Shanky trading is very unique, right? Because there are a lot of YouTubers, WhatsApp, Telegram groups, everyone they give calls 0 to 0, everything. But one special thing with Shanky is he never says this is the entry point, this is the exit point. He will make you learn the concept, right? And one more thing, he gives all the levels and how to do all the techniques, concepts, logics, everything, which will have no stop loss. Which means that you will not go in loss. If you follow the rules, regulation and what are the logics properly, end of the day you will be in profit. There is no reason for a loss. So that's the reason I recommend Shanky for everyone.
So I think there's a time that I was the quick money concept was there in my mind for a long time, right? That you have to go out there and go for big money. But I think now just a 30-point piece, it's fantastic. I mean, today I did a few trades and I went to the 30-point piece and they all made money. And all the ones which I tried with the old mindset of, bada kamayenge, all of them went down. So that's interesting, and of course, the team's been very helpful as well. So looking forward to the journey from here on.
Hi, good evening to all. It's been my fourth or fifth seminar with Shanky. I was thinking that the trading is very easy because in the initial stage I was getting a lot of profits. I thought, okay, I know everything. In the moment I joined Shanky team, then I came to know that I'm having only the empty mental. There are a lot of information needs to be collected from Shanky. And he is a man with the golden heart, and he is not greedy about money, obviously. My advice to you is follow Shanky blindly, and he will take you to the places.
I would say it's a no-brainer. You have to be here. I think Shanky could be charging like 100x of what he charges, but he doesn't, right? And it's all about, I think, the give back and the purpose to, educate the trading audience and more. So if you aren't following him, I think it's a big mistake. If you're not at a seminar, I think you should come because, as I say, proximity is power. And I think if you're in the inner circle and learning some of these things, I think that's very important.
Great.
For the new traders, see, there are we are in a technical era. Obviously, we have a lot of sources to learn, but it doesn't mean that you can just go and put your hands in all the sources where you lose the money, patience, and whatever the accumulated knowledge you will lose. Choose the right person, and Shanky is the right person because in our experience, we met this guy only. There are a lot of YouTubers who are yelling out there to sell their courses, but this guy is the only one who is telling that watch me for 2 months, then later if you like you can just join me. So he's not forcing any of us to join him. Okay, the moment you join him, and he'll teach us to our level. Okay, he will not teach us in the expert level. He'll come to our level, he'll clear all the doubts. So that's my opinion about it.
And what is the key to be a successful trader?
Patience, not to be so greedy, and trading means it's not like a traditional business where you need to do the everyday activity. You need to wait for the right moment with the right knowledge. Then the trading will take you to the places. You cannot compare the trading lifestyle with your normal lifestyle. That's it.